Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Canon F-1 that I have. This is the front. This is one side. This is the other side. This is the top. And this is the bottom. Serial number. Okay, so first off, I will show you the viewfinder and the light meter. So if I turn it on, you can see that the meter actually works. And if I adjust, change the light. If I adjust the shutter speed, it actually corresponds to the speeds, so it works. Next, I will show you. So the condition of viewfinder is as follows. I see there's something like a dirt in the viewfinder, but it does not affect usage. And it does not affect the final output of the picture. So next I will show you the inside compartment. This is the inside compartment. Alright. This is 2000 shutter speed. I'm going to tune the exposure so that it can show the, so they can show the shutters better. So 2000. Okay. 1000. 500. 250. 125. 60. 30. 15. 1/8. 1/4. Half. 1 second. And this is bulb mode. So as you can see, all speeds works well. And so this concludes the test for the Canon F-1. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thanks so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.